do a quick ride here also today on the 25th of July 2023. Also with the 7 meter indicator. It's an Amsler elevator that was finished in the beginning of 1999, but manufactured in 1998. The number is 982977. As what was the address?
Arentitie 8.
Staircase L. So only the staircases F and J and L have elevators here.
Yeah.
The capacity is 4 persons for 325 grams, and it's really weird because the rest of the staircases with 4 floors don't have it.
Yeah.
And this is finished in 1999, so it's really a strange solution. Very much budget.
Yeah.
We expect it the next year, 2024, when the elevator will be 25 years old.
Yeah.
Let's go back to the first floor and it's hydraulic with unnecessary inner doors, and it should have been with Conium and Novel vent resistant on the outside.
Yeah.
Or Sigmas, or with Novel call buttons outside.
Yeah.
Or something similar. Or could have also been Otis F2000 at least.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spektiittpaa kiva, jos meidän pašilla.
Or it could have been Simag as well.
Yeah.
Such a strange residential building when there's a lot of staircases, but only 3 have elevators.
Yeah.
And finished in 1999. That's it. Here, Malminkartano.
That's
Malminkartano.